Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Float Arts by Elsa. I'm so happy to have you here joining me today for this video. So today I'm going to start off once again by showing you the dry painting from my previous video, which dried beautifully. I am super happy with this piece. So if you remember, it was this blue piece, and check her out. Look how gorgeous. Don't you love how this piece looks like it's a 3D motion effect it has? And look at the shimmer that it has. It is a beautiful piece. I love the burst it created right in there. I can't wait to try this again in a different color palette. And then look at this. Look how gorgeous. Any orientation you choose to hang it up would work. I personally love it this way. But hey, if you're interested, email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com and claim this piece or any other pieces that I have available. Today, I am working. Hold on, let me put this down. Today, I'm working on a very interesting color palette. I just picked random colors, no rhyme or reason. So I am crossing my fingers and my toes that this works out. I am working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I am flooding with this pale olive green by Winsor and Newton. And just to save time, I've been just flooding. If you have any questions, leave your questions, comments, feedback in the comment section below, and I will gladly respond to it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, like and click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. You don't miss it. So let's get down to the canvas. Okay, everyone. So here we are. We are working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. The painting has been flooded already with the pale green by Winsor and Newton. So now we're ready to begin. Let me just grab some tissue here, a paper towel. Okay, and we are going to begin. I told you this is an interesting color palette. I'm trying to figure out how I want my colors to flow. Okay, so I am using Pearl Copper Gold by Arteza. I haven't used this in a while. Look how beautiful. I don't know. I'm already scared just looking at this side by side, but I'm going to go ahead and proceed with my color selection. So Copper by Arteza. Let me just think, how do I want this? And you know what? I don't know. I don't know how I want this. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it actually looks beautiful, one against the other. My next color is Titanium White by Winsor and Newton. So Titanium White. And I'm gonna squiggle this on. Just like that. My next color, ooh, this is Yellowish Green by Amsterdam. I love this color. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're going to go ahead and proceed with my color selection, which is a little shocking today. Let's go ahead. Oh, I like it. I actually, all these colors that I'm saying that I'm scared are actually looking beautiful one against the other. As you can see here, it's gorgeous. At least for me. Hopefully you share the same opinion. Next color is Pearl Peony Pink by Arteza. Let's give it a hint of pink. Let's see. I'm going to start this way. Okay. My next color is Pearl Cream by Arteza. Pearl Cream. Let's go. I'm actually liking this. And my last color is Rose Gold by DecoArt. I haven't used this in a while, but rose gold, here we are. That's my mother's favorite color, these rose gold. So here you go, Mama. So those are my colors. I'm gonna go ahead, torch out the air bubbles. This prevents pinholes from developing as the painting is drying. And now we will begin. So let me think this one out. I think I want to begin here. I'm pushing in since it's at the edge. You know what? I'm going to begin towards the top. Let's go. How subtle. It looks so Eastery. If that's even a thing, but yeah, it looks like Easter colors. I love it. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna take this green in because it's just a blob of green there. Don't be afraid to use your fingers to fix areas. You can just tap it a little bit. I'm gonna blow a little bit in here. Just want to shape that out a little bit. Just like that. Oh, I'm super happy with this color palette. Absolutely beautiful, subtle. Love the colors. They do work together. I'm gonna go ahead and torch it out a little bit more. The cells are developing in here. It's looking very, very good. I love it. Beautiful. It looks very spring-like colors. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, clean out my edges, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, so take a look at this beauty. Absolutely love this color palette. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take you in. We're gonna begin here at the bottom. So take a look at this. Look at the cells developing in here. Check that out. Look how gorgeous, how subtle. I love the green in this piece. I love the green. Absolutely love it. Against that pale olive by Winsor and Newton. It looks gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead, begin here and branch, work our way up. You can see some lacing in the center here. Then you see that color burst coming up towards the top to the next petal. Very subtle, not much happening. And then look at the edges here. Again, a showcase of these cells. Color encasing color. Just gorgeous. Look at these colors. Look how beautiful they blend. Absolutely gorgeous. Tell me what you think about this one. I love the movement it has created as well. Love the edges. Very Eastery colors. Love it. And look at those micro cells right there and how it branches up towards the top there. Beautiful. I love this piece. You can see all the colors showcased here. They're just saying, here we are. Check us out. Look how gorgeous that is. Absolutely beautiful color palette. I'm going to show you once again here so you can see. It gets a little distorted when I get close. I turned the flash on so you could see the colors. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely a gorgina, like my daughter says. Beautiful. Look at that. I think that's my favorite part right there where you see everything. Just beautiful there. So tell me what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I'm trying to stand back so you can see the whole painting. It's a small 10 by 20, but the way that I have it sitting on my table makes it a little difficult to showcase. So there she is. Leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Look at that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for joining me here today. Bye.